All right, ready?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about one tip that can help you with your bench press, and really it's mobility. So if you watch a lot of people bench, they start out with a flat back, so that's mistake number one, and then when the load starts to get heavy, they start to protract their shoulders like this. And the truth is the highest point to the bar is what's going to be activated most. So obviously we're doing a compound movement like the bench press. We want to get multiple things involved. That being said, the bench is mostly for your chest. So we want to start off retracted and depressed, and we want to maintain that position throughout the entirety of the exercise. So a lot of people have a hard time controlling their scapula, and scapular control is something that's very essential for activating pretty much any body part in your entire upper body. So this exercise right here is going to help you increase your retraction ability, like your ability to retract and depress your scapula, and fix internal rotation, because when you're sitting all day long, even standing, just the gravitational pull kind of just starts pulling your shoulders forward like this. And then on top of that, you know, when you press and you press and press and you don't work your back adequately, it just adds on top of the problem. So this right here is going to be something that can help you get your scapula retracted. So you just lay like this, and you can start off maybe 3 minutes every day, and just let the gravitational pull your shoulders down towards the floor. And it doesn't seem like much, but over time you'll start to become less internally rotated, and you'll start to bring your shoulders back and increase your mobility towards retraction, which is very important. So if we were to bench right now, we want to be retracted, depressed, put our sternum up, and that's going to be the highest point of the bar, which is going to be mostly activated pec. So that's good. You want to be like this, and this is going to help that. So that's something that I wanted to talk about, because I met a dude at the gym the other day, and he was talking to me about how he can't get his arms behind his back when he squats, and I told him that's all retraction, a retraction, lack of mobility. So start getting those shoulders retracted, retract, control your scapula, and start making some gains.